Yeah, welcome back, guys. I know some of you are into this course or bought into this course because you have one or two things to offer people to sell on your website, maybe an ebook, maybe a video course, whatever it is, maybe even a WhatsApp course, or even a live seminar where you stand in front of people live and you teach them whatever you want to teach them. So, whatever the case is, you need two things. One I will teach you here, the other I will teach you later. One of the two things you need is number one, you need an opt-in page, or what we call a squeeze page. Number two, you need a sales page. Let me give you examples of each. If you check this page very well, this is strictlybusiness.ng/ebook 2. In fact, this is the page where people land when they see the advert of my free ebook on Facebook, free to download, today only, free download. This is an image. This template, I got it free from Instabuilder. I didn't bother myself. So there is a school of thought that says that try to be unique. Yes, it is nice to be unique, but when you are starting as a newbie, you don't have all the time in this world. And let me shock you, customers don't care. Customers don't mind that, oh, I saw this kind of template somewhere. They know that it is the internet. People are using similar templates, but what should be unique, what should differentiate you is what you offer. So I put the image of my ebook, and when you click on download now, there is going to be a pop-up. Then you put your name and email, you download the ebook, and then it will still take you to the same page. This one will take you to, when you click here and you put in your email address, it will take you to the same page where when you opt in, and it will tell you thank you. The page I showed you the other time that says your ebook has been sent to your this and that. When I put my name and email here, the next page that opened the other time in the previous video, where it will say your book is already in your email. If you do not receive it, fill this form again, blah blah blah. That's the same place you get to when you fill this one too. So this is one that you need. Why do you need a squeeze page? Number one, you need a squeeze page to be taking people's data. So whatever happens here, immediately you put in your name and email, I already have your data for life, unless you unsubscribe from my email list. Number two, it is an opportunity for me to gather subscribers. Then number three, it's an opportunity for me to offer you what I have. People are not coming to my mailing list to give me their data. Who am I for me to have their data? They are only interested in this. So we are doing trade by barter on this platform. So this is the platform where it happens. This is your own online office where everything happens for your business. Another thing you would need is a sales page, a page you make to sell your course or to sell your ebook. That is always long, while this one is a bit short and straight to the point. I already told them some stories in my advert, the top 5 online businesses to make money in Nigeria, this, that, blah blah. Click here to download it now for free. So when they get here, I don't need to say too much stuff again. I don't need to start telling them about me or yet. No, people don't usually have the time. This is not even the time to say that. There are some products we want to offer people and we say all that. But here it is a free ebook and I don't need too much talk. Even at times when the talk is too much and the page does not load, a lot of people leave. So, and then download now. I put this timer here to let them know that the time is counting down. If you don't download it now, and the funny thing is, even if they do not download it now, nothing is going to happen. You come here tomorrow, you meet the same thing. But the countdown is just to give a sense of urgency. The second one, as I was saying, is a sales page where you actually offer to sell something like this, where you put testimonies, feedback about a particular course, and then you offer the course for sale. This is a sales page. So you need to learn how to create the two. So I'm selling something, of course, on this page. So, and see the bank account details and everything. So I'll go ahead in this video and teach you how to design this. A lot of various ones that I will show you in an example. So how do you do a page like this? You will realize that this is even different from a website. So you can have a website and people will not even know your website. The pages they will be seeing, because these are the pages you'll be advertising. These are the pages they will be advertising. That's why it's possible for some people to have websites And the website does not have any blog, it does not have anything, it does not have about me, it does not have all those. It is just the pages where they use to market their products and services. Simple and straightforward. They are not running a day-to-day website. So I will teach you how to create a page like this right now. So you go into your WordPress dashboard and click on pages, add new. This is the same site that we registered for the purpose of this training, mrplanb.com.ng. Then you want to create a page for afresh. Now, I told you there are two plugins I use when it comes to creating a squeeze page or a sales page. The first one is Instabuilder. The second one is WP Bakery. The two of them are fantastic. They are both fantastic plugins. Google, let me show you what they are. This is Instabuilder. So part of what I'm giving you in this course is WP. So part of what I'm giving you in this course is an access to an Instabuilder plugin that you can use to always design your sales page. I'll give you for free. It's a paid plugin, as you can see, as you will see on this page, but I have the one that has a resale right that you can use. This is Instabuilder 2.0. So this is the site. This is where you get Instabuilder if you want to buy yours. But if you bought my course, you are going to get this for free. You're going to get it for free. Then WP Bakery. This is WP Bakery. Is in fact, while some people like Instabuilder, I prefer WP Bakery. But maybe subsequently, the current video I want to do is for Instabuilder. Subsequent ones, I may also show you how to use WP Bakery and choose. For me, WP Bakery is robust, and it's the creativity in it is much more than in the creativity and flexibility I like from WP Bakery more than Instabuilder. So that said, let's go and create something in Instabuilder. I want to create an opt-in page or something called skills page. So what's a skills page? Like I explained earlier, this is an example of a skills page where people will land from my adverts. So your skills page can be as small as this. Your skills page can be something like this. Your skills page can also be something like, let me show you something like this, top 5. Something that will not be small. It will not be as small or as little as this. It can also be something as much as this. This is also this is like a landing page. From my advert, they land here. Then when they click here, they now go to my squeeze page. So depending on how you want it, you see this squeeze page and this squeeze page, they take my subscribers to the same place in my mailing list. So let me show you how to do it. Let us assume that you want to have a squeeze page and you want to call the page Gram ebook. Maybe you have written an ebook about how people can make money on Instagram or advertise on Instagram. So before you can use, and you can see Instabuilder is already here because I've already installed Instabuilder plugin on this website, on this WordPress dashboard or website. So, and then if you want to use it for any page, this is how it's going to show automatically on every page that you create, whether you just create it or it has been created before. Once you install Instabuilder, it's going to be showing for every page in case you want to use Instabuilder to design that page. That is why I mentioned in my previous videos that on this site, this our site that we are using for this training, mrplanb.ng, that the pages I created, the home, the blog, about me, contact me, and all those things that we created. When you go to this page on WordPress here, if you click on all pages here like this, and you select any of the pages, like you select home, you can use, let me just open it here. You can use Instabuilder to edit the page to look exactly or anyhow you want. You can see. All you just need to do is to just turn it on. Once you turn it on, you can launch it, and then this home page that is looking like a desert will become something so beautiful that people will not even be able to identify it again. But that's not the essence of this video. The essence of this video is to create a squeeze page. Now, so Gram ebook, before you can use Instabuilder for a page, you need to publish that page, or at least save it to draft. So the page is published. So close this, then come to Instabuilder and open Instabuilder. Launch Instabuilder 2.0. Please save this page at least as a draft at first. Let me update it. Let me make sure it has published. Then let us try to launch it. Let me just refresh it, because I've published it, so I wouldn't know why. So let me just refresh it. That's been refreshed. Then let me try to relaunch it. So it has launched. This is the Instabuilder interface. Now let me take you through all this. These are the templates that are already inbuilt in your Instabuilder. As you can see different templates, a lot of templates. So one of the very good things about Instabuilder is that they have templates, a lot of templates for whatever you want. They have templates for sales pages, quiz pages, launch pages, webinar pages, coming soon pages, and others. So for sales pages, it will load and show you the samples of the sales pages they have. So if you want to sell a product and you want to just present the product to people, you want to run advert to that page, you can. Most of you are familiar with something like this. Let me show you the preview. Some of you are familiar with a page like this. So for example, if you want to use a page like this, you don't even need to write anything. All you need to do is just to edit what is already here. So, but then squeeze page is what we want to. You will see different samples too. So now look at this. Let me preview this one for you. See, and look at my page here. Look at this. Any difference? No difference. In fact, the day I was creating this, and I was so lazy that I didn't even change the blue color here. This is the template I used. All I did was I just edited it. See free download. See free to download, rather free to download. Free to download today only. I edited this to today only. I put picture. I removed this. I put a picture. Then I maintained this. I put my own link. Then I put image. I removed this. I put my own message. I remove copyright. I put my own message, and that is it. You can do it in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you are done. So that is that's one of the benefits of this. So, and let me show you another one. This is another preview. If you want to show something in such a way that you can say, oh, free report, just put your company logo. Free report show you how to build a list of hungry subscribers eager to learn and buy everything you've got. Free report shows you how to use Instagram to sell your product to buyers who are ready to buy from you and pay you. So, and you leave this, just leave this the way it is. Change the color of this, download the report, or put download now. Put the image of that ebook here, then put your code, the code from your Aweber, put it behind the scene here, and then you are fine. Just put your logo here and you are good to go. Anybody that comes to the link, they will land here and say, wow, this is a beautiful website. They will know that you have done it. It's already done for you. So let me close this and then choose any one of them. You can, in your own case, this is another one. Let me show you this too. This is a very simple one, and this is also a common one that everybody sees, and I like this. Your powerful headline here. If it is me, I'll put the image of what I wanted to download there. Then I'll put this here. Then I'll put my get free access, and then they are good to go. So let us just create anyone. Let me create I'm always having issues with decisions when it comes to, okay, let me use this. I don't want to use this again. Let me use this to drive home my point. So I'm choosing this. Just click on choose and it's rolling. It will bring it for me. This is where I will edit everything. So let us assume I've written an ebook about Instagram sales. So I'll come here and say, okay, this thing is still loading. If you click it and it's not highlighting, it is loading. Let me drag this up for you to see what I'm talking about. See, you can see it is loading. So let me drag it down again. Now it has loaded. So let me take you through everything. Everything is just right here. Here is all the settings for your page, for this particular page settings, favicon, attention bar, pop-up settings, bottom slider, exit splash, and so on and so forth. If you do anything here and you want to go back to the previous work you were doing, this is where you do it. Like if I edited something and I don't want it, instead of deleting it, I can just go back to the last saved version of the work. Here is where I save my work. Whenever I edit anything here, if I click here, it will just save it for me. And when I go and check it on the page, this is what I will see. For example, I will just suggest that the page we are working on, this particular page, I just get the link, open it up in another browser, and as we work here, I just refresh on the page for you to see how it happens live. So let me open the page, pages, all pages. It has opened. This is the page, Gram ebook. So if you click on edit, you should get the link somewhere here. This is the link, www.mrplavi.com.ng/gram-ebook. So let me just copy the link. Then let me go and open it in another browser. Here. So because we have not done, sorry, I didn't copy it rightly. Ebook. Gram ebook is already showing. So you can see that what we have here is what is already showing on the page. That is why I told you that your own page, in fact, you can use Instabuilder or any other page builder to design your own page instead of people to be seeing that ugly stuff that we did the other time. This is what people will be, something like this is what people will be seeing. So if you give people your page, your own page, this is where they will land. So let me take you through everything here on the Instabuilder interface. Now this is section, this is wide section, and this is wide background box. Section, this is a section. I can create another section. I can create another section, just like I showed you on one of my pages in previous videos, where one part was white, the other one was off-white, white, off-white. I can create another section like this. This is a whole section. Then white section. This is a section. This is not a wide section. A wide section is going to take almost the entire length of the screen. Then wide background box. If you want a background box where you are going to be able to change the color and everything, that is where you change it. Then title element, text element. Title element, something like this. Text element, something like this. Image, I can bring this one down and come and put it here as an image for my, if I want to add image to this thing, maybe I want to add the image of my ebook, I can put it here, but I don't need it yet. I'm just explaining. Video, if I want to add video, box elements, if I want to line divider, if I want to put countdown. Some of you have been seeing countdown. Somebody has even asked me before on one of my WhatsApp group pages for one of my courses that how do I add countdown to my sales pages and my squeeze or opt-in pages. This is how I do it, and I will give you an example of almost all these things in this particular sales page, opt-in page creation, or when we get to sales page. Then button element, opt-in form, 3-step opt-in. Now this opt-in form, if you do not like the design of what you did in your opt-in form, as we did in the previous video where I told you that I do not really mind the design here. If you don't like this, because this is how it's going to show when you put the code. If you don't like it, do not worry. You can actually use their own design here and then put your code. So which makes a lot of sense. So perhaps the only thing you need from Aweber or GetResponse or any other autoresponder services or email services you are using, the only thing you need them apparently is the code, which is this. So they will always give you their own opt-in form template. As you can see, if I put this thing now, you will see different types of form. You see one. So, and you can actually change this to whatever you want, but we don't need it now. Then 3-step opt-in, comment, social share, and so on, columns. By the time we want to use them, you will get to know them better. And of course, if you are buying this entire course, if you are buying the entire, if you have bought the entire digital course, actually, you have access to this software from me for free, this plugin from me for free, number one. Number two, you have access to an entire video course, about 10 or 12 videos in that course that teaches you everything you need to know about Instabuilder. But the shocking thing about all these things is that you don't need all those 12 courses, all those 12 videos or thereabouts. What you need to know is not even much, because Instabuilder has made it easy. There is no template you want to create that they don't have. Just edit their template and move on. So don't go and be wasting days assimilating the videos, because you may not need most of the knowledge you're going to get there. It's not as if you bought this course to become an expert in Instabuilder. You just want to learn how to use it to create quiz pages, sales pages, and be making money. That is the ultimate goal. So let us go ahead and edit this particular one. So this is where your headline is going to be. So let me say my headline is something like this free ebook teaches you how to market your products and services on Instagram to make huge consistent sales. The reason why I'm adding this word consistent is just this morning a lady sent me an inbox message, a DM on Instagram, telling me that she makes sales, actually, that somebody, one of her brothers or somebody or uncles, sent her to my page to come and see what is going on there and probably buy one of my courses. So she asked me to tell her what I offer. Then I told her that you tell me what you want and I'll tell you if you have something that can benefit you. Then she said she has this page where she sells stuffs, but today she will make sales, tomorrow she will not make sales. Today she will have followers, tomorrow she will not have followers. So things have been inconsistent for her. So I said, okay, no problem. Just go and buy my 3-in-1 masterclass and watch the what is it called now? The social media marketing aspect of it, most especially the Facebook and Instagram marketing aspect of it. That will solve your problem. So that is why if such lady sees an advert like this or a page like this that says huge consistent sales, then she knows that she's making huge sales, but the huge sales are not consistent. So when you are writing your marketing lines, also make sure that you speak almost the mind of your prospects, your prospective customers. What are the challenges they have? How are the challenges like? So just go straight to the point and you'll see that they will patronize you. So you can actually change the color. So you can edit this anyhow you like. See editing interface here. This one, you can underline it if you want. You can underline it like this. You can change the color. This is where you change the color. You can change the color to a different red. You can change the color to black. You can change the entire color of everything here to black. And then the particular letters or words you want to be highlighted, just give them the color you want. And this consistent too, I would like to make it so visible to people. Then Instagram. Those are the 3 keywords in our this thing here. So free ebook, Instagram, consistent sales. I think sales also should be underlined and color changed. So we are good. Now, the next thing I want to do is to add a sub-heading. This is the heading, this is the sub-heading, which is there already. And you know, they have already told you, you can also put a post headline here, a post headline here to emphasize the point of your main headline. Are you making sales on IG, but the sales are not consistent? Will you like to learn the secrets I use to make daily consistent sales on IG? If yes, on IG, well, I can stop like that. Then I create another line and say, if yes, check out my ebook. Then that is where I will now bring my image element in. Just drag the image element. Let me go and look for, click here, then action. Let me go and just upload one image. Do I have any image here? Let me upload the image of one of my ebooks, just as an example. One thing about Instabuilder is that it is better you have actually uploaded the images you want to use before you start working on it. So I'll go back, I'll come here to come and upload my images, add new. I'll upload my images, add new, select. Let me go to strictly business folder, then book. These are PDF. Let me do, which one is this? Okay, maybe let me just use this. Then open. It's uploading. So it's done. Library, it will be there now. This is it. So I come back here, then I go back, although I need to refresh before it will be able to see it. So let me save my work, then refresh the page, reload. So I come back here, edit. So learn the lesson. Always upload all your images before you start working on Instabuilder if you want to actually use image. So you can see it is easy now. It takes it immediately. So, and it is there. If you can actually modify the size, you don't need to come here and do it. I don't have such time. So just come here and say, then you can add another text. Let me say, where is my text element? Let me add another text and say, download my free ebook today by filling the download my free ebook, get the link, get my free ebook sent to your mail right away by filling the form below. So name and email. Now let me edit this and put it at the center. Let me bold it. So if you want to increase the size, please feel free. This is where you increase the size. 16, 18, 20, any size that you want. But do not forget, this could have been the image of an ebook. Now, I think I actually want there to be a space between this and this. These are too close to each other. So this is what you will use, spacer. Just bring it here and you're fine. You can also put the same spacer here and you're fine. You can edit the space of the spacer too. See, you can make it big, you can make it small. Anyhow you'd like. You can change the color of this to whatever you want. Now, so let us come back. This is this thing is making a shape. I prefer to use the shape of the image of an ebook. Let me go and upload an ebook. Let me upload the image of an ebook. Book, blog pics, 3D ebook cover. So don't forget that this is where your ebook cover is useful. Thank God I remember. This is where your ebook cover becomes useful. So somebody asked me the other time that so my ebook cover, how do I add it to my ebook? The ebook cover is not a part of your ebook. The essence of creating an ebook cover is to market your ebook for something like this. So when you want to market your ebook, like in this place now, like in this place, you want your ebook to be here. It is not the entire PDF ebook you are going to upload here. If you upload it, people will just be downloading it for free. What you put here is a representation of your ebook, a pictorial or image representation of your ebook, of your PDF ebook, which is the 3D cover. So that is the essence of the 3D cover. So just come here, upload it. It has uploaded. This is it. So let me save my work here and refresh again. Then I change the image. I think everything is making sense. So I want to be fast a bit now with the video. So just come here, edit it. Make sure you highlight it. If you don't highlight it, it will not be editable. Action. Let me remove this one. Action. Upload image. So this is the one I want now. Use image. As you can see, here we are. So, and it is big also. I want it to be small. There is a reason why I covered this part. The title of my ebook is the top 5 online businesses to make money in Nigeria. But when I realized that at the time, Facebook was not accepting my ad for this ebook, then I covered this part that talked about money. So, and then they started approving it. I changed some other things too, but at least this is one of the things I changed. So now, I have this free ebook teaches you how to market your product and services on Instagram to make huge consistent sales. I have this, I have my image, I have this. Then how they actually opt in. So I come here to edit it. Then you can see opt-in form HTML code. That code you generated from your Aweber form. This is it. Click it, highlight everything, copy, then come back here to paste it. Paste it, process. Now, opt-in form code has been processed. If this wasn't a form, you will see your form come here actually. Let me bring, where is HTML code? Let me bring this here for you to see what I'm talking about. Edit this element to replace the text with your code. Click it, edit it. This is the code I brought. So you can see it immediately gave me my form. I want the ebook. Come and see the form I created. Here, design. See, can you see? I want the ebook. See what is there? I want the ebook. But you will tell me, you will agree with me that this is more fanciful than this. But I just had to let you see how the two will give you exactly the same thing. And you can actually put this one in the middle as well. If you don't want anything fanciful like this, just put this in the middle, and my friend, you are good to go. Then if this does not come with we met this one here, you can actually call me Optin form to do it. This is the form. All you need to do is just click on edit, Optin for new HTML code, put your code there, click on process, and it will tell you it has processed. Then hide this panel. This one, this, and this will all perform the same, exactly, absolutely 100% same function. So, but I want to use this because this looks nice on this particular form. Highlight the work, delete it. Yes, I want to delete. I like this to delete it. Yes, I want to delete. So let us leave it this way. We will never rent, sell, or share your email address. Yes, and that is right. Then you come here and change the stuff here. Change this one to, click on edit. Change this one to 2019. Say copyright 2019. Gram School. Gram School. If Gram School is the name of my brand, it's already yourself. Gram School. Let me just come and put it where they asked me to put it. So don't forget to always do all these little things. Gram School. Disclaimer. This is supposed to be a link. Highlight it. You will have created a disclaimer page on your blog, all pages, something like any of these. Just add new disclaimer page, put the text you want there, and copy the link just the same way I copied the link of this my Gram ebook page. The same way I copied the link the other time. Just copy it and put it here. Put it here. Insert or edit link, put it here. Just put the link there. It will work. Then privacy policy, terms of service, TOS. Put Facebook like that we do all these things. If they are not there, they may not even approve. So when they don't approve your ad, you'll be like, I've done this, I've done everything. Why are they not approving my ad? This is the reason why they will not approve your ad. They want to see your disclaimer. It's not as if they will click it, but you should have it. In fact, I know people that they will just put it there. The disclaimer, privacy, and nothing is clickable. They just put it there. And at times, you will have seen where we say, this is not an MLM, this is not Forex, this page is not, this website is not part of Facebook, this and that. Those are guidelines from Facebook ad policy that we should let people know that they are not in any way part of our business. We are doing our business. They are just giving us opportunity to market. They do not endorse what we are selling. In case you sell something and you have problem with the person, you cannot sue Facebook because you are buying that thing independent of Facebook. It's not as if Facebook is recommending our business for you. They are just advertising for us. It is as simple as that. And when you save this page, you now have what I call a squeeze or an opt-in page. This is your link. Send this link to anybody in the world and they will land on this page. Simple. This free ebook teaches you how to market your product and services on Instagram to make huge consistent sales. Are you making sales on IG? Blah blah blah. So when people put their name, email address, and click on get free access, then they will land. They will come. They will land here. They will land in your subscribers list, which is going to be in another video. But one thing I would like to show you before I go is you can also edit. You can edit this. You can edit get free access. This get free access. Opt-in form fields. All these things you can, instead of semi-horizontal, you can do vertical. That they stay on each other. You can do horizontal. You can see. So you can do semi-horizontal like where we were coming from. You can do vertical. You can do anything. You can do it anyhow you want. Field size, normal, big, small. It can be big. It can be big and longer. It can be small or longer, and so on. Field style, different styles. They have different styles. Style 1, style 2. You can see it's changing. Style 3, style 4. Do whatever you want. Field background color. That is inside of this place. The color. You can change the color. Border color. You can change the color as well. Then come back here. Opt-in form button. This button. You can edit the button. Button text, get free access. You can change it to download now, or I want the ebook now. Font size, font face. You can change the font to whatever you want. You can see the font has changed. You can change it to whatever it is that you want. So if this is what you want, leave it. You can bolding it, you can italicize it, you can underline it if you want to underline it. Then you can do all this font size, letter spacing and all. You can do all that. Normal state color. This is the color here. You can change it to say green, you can change it to blue, you can change it to red. I think red is just nice for what we are doing. Then overstate color, that is when you put your cursor on it, what color should you bring? I think yellow is not so nice. Let's do blue. So if people put their cursor on it, it should change to blue. Then what else? Icon. Do you want to add any icon here or here? Before text or after text or before text? Say you want to add download, see something like this. You want to add it before text. If you want it after text, it will be there. So I like it after text. Then rounded corner, the corner of this button, if you want it to be round. Display effect, how do you want? Do you want the download to slide in or anything? You can learn all those later on your own. Then webinar integration, that is if you want to integrate webinar access. Facebook opt-in, if you want them to opt in with their Facebook account, this is where you do it. So you can learn more on your own. I think I have done justice to squeeze page. Now you can use the template they have given. They have a lot of templates like I showed you before we started, before we chose this. You can add image, you can add videos, you can add anything. I will show you how to use more of these facilities when we get to how to create a sales page. For example, now this is the ebook. This is free. You may now have another ebook, the main course ebook or video course or anything which you want to sell to people. This one is just to grab their attention, to have their data and everything. The other one is actually to sell to them. So in that place, we'll be adding our bank account or pay stack payment and everything. So I will show you that in another video. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, and I hope this video has taught you how to create a sales page. So what happens when people log in, when people put their details here, how do you take it up further? We are going to take that under our email marketing series. Thank you so much and enjoy. Don't always forget to save your work. And then if you come and check here, you will see that our changes have actually been effected. See, it is as simple. It is not rocket science. It is as simple as that. Thank you so much and enjoy your day.